Want to create thumbnails like this? Then let's go! First hop into Photoshop. As you can see, I got a picture of a landscape. You can search them up on different websites like Pexels or Pixabay. Go on Pexels and search whatever you need. I decided to take a lost landscape with a volcano. I did some color adjustments. You can copy my adjustments or do it on your own, on your preferences. Just go on Image, then on Adjustments and Hue and Saturation. After that we have to edit the sky in this image. I want a orange colored sky. You will see why. So to do that we need to cut out the sky. Take the Path tool and select the area. I select the bottom half of the image and invert the selection. Now I have the sky separate. I can change the colors however I need them to be. Same process again. Go on Image, Adjustments and Hue and Saturation. Well, that looks perfect to me. Let's jump to the Itachi moon part. I took a picture from Google Pictures where I have the red moon. You can already duplicate the image. On the bottom layer we use the alpha mask to cut out parts which we don't need and set the mode to lighten. On the top layer we set the mode to darken because of the black parts and reduce the opacity to about 60%. Now you can see that the moon fits in the scene. No worries, I just forgot that I turned off one layer. As you can see, the Vulcan is now in the background. That's because we didn't cut out the Vulcan separate. So do the same steps like we did in cutting out the sky. Take the Path tool and select the area in the main background and make a selection. Now you can adjust the Vulcan again with the colors that you need. I did 2 examples there. Now we want the moon to shine. Go back to the top layer of the moon group, double left click on the layer. Turn on inner and outer glow. Both glows need to be red. The next step is to add a bit of clouds and fog. Look up for a cloud picture on Pexels or wherever you want. Place it above all layers and set the mode to soft light. Turn down the opacity. You can see that I did an alpha mask also for the middle top part. You can adjust it to your needs. Moving on to the text. Take a font you like and write down your text. In my example, I did it a bit complicated. Just take one layer and work with the opacity. I placed it at the middle of the picture where I did the cut of the sky and the ground, that the edge is nearly invisible. You can add some objects as you like. I decided to take some crows because of the Itachi from Naruto. Place it where you like it and there you go.